The dealership wants $300 for 2 filters. I'll show you how to do both in under 3 minutes, no tools. This works on the Lexus RX 350 and Lexus RX 500h, and this is one of the easiest ways to save money on maintenance. Pop the hood. Find the air filter box right here. Unclip these metal tabs, no tools needed. Lift the cover slightly. Pull out the old filter. Drop in the new filter. Make sure it's seated properly. Clip it back. Done. Now let's do the cabin filter. This one's even easier. Open the glove box. Disconnect the latch. Push in both sides to drop it down. Unclip the filter cover behind it. Slide out the old cabin filter. This is what you've been breathing. Insert the new one. Depending on the filter you buy, some show the airflow arrow and the direction is down. Some show display with the word up. Snap the cover back. Reconnect the latch. And you're done. Both filters took under 3 minutes, and you just saved $200 to $300 at the dealer. See how much the filters cost on eBay. See how much the filters cost on Amazon. See how much the filters cost for genuine Toyota Lexus parts. If this helped, like and subscribe for more Lexus DIY maintenance videos.